I love pictures, I love photographs. I love them because they capture moments in time. And when you look at the picture, you can go back to that place and enjoy it all over again. My name is Evy Weeb. I'm a proud Manitoba chicken farmer. So I'm farming with my husband, Rod, and we have a cozy little piece of paradise here in southeastern Manitoba. So while we were raising chickens, we were also raising 4 children. So we have 3 girls and a boy. They're all grown up. One of them is married and has given us a beautiful granddaughter, and we're actually expecting a little grandson. We're very excited about that. And the rest are in university, so they're in and out of the house.
The chicken farm here was started by my parents in the late 70s. I grew up on this farm and I pretty much always have wanted to be a farmer, yes. Evy's role on the farm is very similar to mine. She's very involved on the farm. She does chores, she helps in the shipping process, the clean out, everything, getting the barn ready for new chicks again, placing chicks. She's the farm accountant, so to speak. She does all the paperwork. And yeah, I couldn't do it without her. She is a phenomenal wife and a phenomenal farmer.
My parents immigrated from Mexico in 1973, and I was born just a couple of months after that. And so we moved on to this little farm that I call the farm that time forgot. We had a wide variety of animals on it, and I don't miss those days. The farm was very inefficient and very labor intensive. So modern farming is much more specialized. So on our farm we have 1 animal, and my husband and I are professionals at chickens, which is very different than the farm that time forgot, because we're experts.
Many technologies have been created for farming, specifically for the chicken farm and for the barn. Things such as climate control and the feed systems and lighting systems and just the way they communicate together and the controls that have been invented. It's much more efficient.
We are in the barn multiple times a day, and we look at them to see that they're behaving comfortably, and we listen to hear their sound level so that we can tell how they're feeling about their environment and that they're comfortable.
So the chickens eat a diet that is largely grain-based, so wheat, corn, that type of grain. And then often there's also additives such as minerals, vitamins, nutrients that are added into the feed and protein for the chicken to get its optimum diet for health and growth.
There is no steroid or hormone use in chicken feed. It has been banned in Canada since the 1960s. So my dad died about 7 years ago, and so I help out with taking care of my mom and making sure all her needs are met. And we also have a grandbaby, and she comes over often, and I get to babysit, and it's just so much fun. I take my responsibilities to taking care of this farm very seriously, and the chickens that are in my barns. I take it as seriously as I take my role in taking care of my family. My mom, my children, my grandchildren, all of them. I'm very proud to be a Manitoba chicken farmers. We're part of a whole community that makes sure there's fresh, local chicken on our shelves every day of the year.